We have a word problem, and we will be using bar modeling to solve this problem. Let's begin. Our word problem is, during a fundraising event, Melanie sold 27 paintings. Faye sold 31 more paintings than Melanie. How many paintings did they sell altogether? In solving a word problem, the very first thing that we need to do is highlight the important information that will help us draw our bar model, which is our problem-solving tool for this word problem for today. So we have here, Melanie sold 27 paintings. So Melanie, 27 paintings. And then we have here Faye. Faye sold 31 more compared to Melanie. We are solving for, let's underline that, how many paintings did they sell altogether? So let's draw our bar model. So first is, let's label, let's write here Melanie. And Melanie was able to sell 27 paintings. So let's have this bar here. We'll draw a rectangular bar to represent 27. There you go. Let's put a label. And let's write there 27. Then we have here Faye. Faye was able to sell 31 more compared than Melanie. So let's place here the label Faye. And with Faye, she was able to sell 31 more. So when we draw the bar model, will it be shorter or longer? Yes, it will be longer by 31. So let's first have this one here, like same color with Melanie. So from here, but then she was able to sell 31 more. So we'll have it longer. I'm just going to indicate it in a different color. Longer by 31. All right. There we go. So let's put a label here. Let's label that 31. And we're trying to find out their paintings, how many paintings they were able to sell altogether. So our main unknown will be here at the side. There we go. Okay. So by looking at our bar model here, we need to find out first Faye, because we know Melanie. Melanie has 27, while Faye was able to sell 31 more. So meaning we just need to add, yes, 27 and 31 to get Faye. So first step is simply adding 27 plus 31. And 27 plus 31 will give us 58. So Faye has 58 paintings. Now we need to find out how many paintings did they sell altogether. So if Melanie has 27 and then Faye has 58, let's place it here. So Melanie 27 and then Faye has 58. We want to find out how many they sold altogether. So we simply put it together. So 27 plus 58. And we'll get 85. So how many paintings did they sell altogether? They were able to sell 85 paintings altogether. There you go. Now, if you want to check this, we just use the opposite operation just to make sure. And what we call this bar model that we use is a comparing bar model addition.